June 2016, paper 2, question 9. In this question, we have to work with two decimal places. And the table below shows the values of x and y obtained in a certain lab work, the variables being connected by the equation shown. By drawing a suitable graph of log y minus 2 against log x minus 1, estimate the values of the constants a and b. The first thing we have to do here is to use what has been given. Y minus 2 equals b into x minus 1 to the power a. Taking log of both sides, we have log y minus 2 to be equal to log b into x minus 1 to the power a. And simplifying the right hand side gives us log b plus a log x minus 1. And this equation is now in the form y equals c plus mx, where c is the y-intercept and m is the gradient, which corresponds to a. We now make a table of values. We take each x value, we subtract 1 from it, and we take the log of that. So the first one, you have 2.659 minus 1, which is 1.659, and the log of that is 0.22. We take equally 4.801 minus 1, which is 3.801. The log of that is 0.58, and we do the same for all the other x values. We now do the same for the y that has been given for log y minus 2. Each y value we subtract 2 and take the log, and we obtain these values as you can see on your screen. After we have completed this stage, we have to now move to a graph and use a suitable scale that will give us a very good value or accurate values. And in this case, we look at the y, the range is from 0.14 to 0.92, so we can start from 0 and end around 1. The same with the x-axis, which runs from 0.22 to 1.3. We can start from 0.2 to 1.4. This is a good scale. And we now plot the points. We have 0.22 and 0.92. The next point is 0.58 and 0.66, and we do the same for all the other points. After plotting all these points, we draw a suitable straight line that touches all these points. From this straight line, we have to make a triangle as large as possible that we can use it to obtain the gradient of this line. Note that this line has a negative gradient. And at the point A, we have 0.3, 8.6, and at B, we have 1.28, 1.6 as coordinates. Now, the change in y is 8.6 minus 1.6, which is 7.0, and the change in x is 0.3 minus 1.28, which gives us minus 0.98. From here, our change in y on change in x equals 7.00 divided by 0.98, which is equal to 7.14, 2 decimal places. Equally, our y-intercept here is the point 9.4. From the graph, it is the point 0.94. And this corresponds to log b base 10, which is equal to 0.94. And solving for b gives us 10 to the power 0.94, which is 8.71. These are the values of the constants a and b. Thank you, and stay tuned for question 10. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. GCE Maths Panel.